Hello there and happy Memorial Day. Today I'm going to make a rotisserie chicken on my charcoal grill with a rotisserie. See that rotisserie there? And I'm going to use this Kingsford garlic, onion, paprika charcoal. That's pretty good. I like that. All right, let me get the charcoal started. Get the big chicken out. I think it's almost 6 pounds. Tie it up and put it on the rotisserie. It's going to be good. Smell it cooking for a few hours, right? What are you having today? I installed that rotisserie on that grill too. I have a video of that. I'll show you that. That's a propane and a charcoal grill, and I love it. So let me fire up this charcoal and go get that chicken. Okay, fire's going good. It smells delicious, that flavored charcoal. I use these tumbleweeds to start it with. Did you ever use them? It says it's all natural wood. You put this under a pile of charcoal, light it up, and it burns like that. It's pretty handy. Tumbleweeds. All right. And that chicken is 6 3/4 pounds. Imagine that. Kathy said, I think I'd be happy with a hot dog, so you know what? I'm gonna let her hold a hot dog on a stick over that fire. If she's lucky. Chicken time. All right, let that flame die down, let the charcoals get hot, and we're ready. Here's that beautiful chicken. Kathy told me to get her when I want to do this. I think I could do it myself. I'm not good at trussing them, but I can stick that in both ends. Let's see. Get that there. Take this one off. Stick it in here. I already took the giblets out, or whatever they were in there. If I had a doggy, I'd cook it up for the doggy. Make sure we get all this because it's a big one. And we're going to tie it up too. Think I need help with this? I can do it. Center that on your spit. Oh, yeah, it's pretty centered. Beautiful day. It's 83 right now outside. Let's see, where do we want to go with this? Like this? Yeah, like this. Come on, chicken. Get into the meat. All right, tighten it up. Tighten up. Center it. Looks pretty centered. Tighten the wing nuts. I'm gonna wash my hands good. And truss it. Trust me, it's gonna be good. Ooh, you even got a popper in it, see? Think it's gonna pop? All right. Hang on. This goes on this end. This is where it rides in the track outside. You'll see. It sits in a groove. I'm gonna melt some butter and pour it on there. And put some seasoning on some chicken string. How many feet of chicken string do you need? All of it. Well, she'd be surprised if I could do this by myself. I would be surprised. Do this. Do this. Do this. Hey, put your finger there for me. I did it. Let's get the wings going. Do it just like that. Wrap it around the wing. Bring it up this way. Wrap this one around the wing. And bring it up. Look. Oops. Hold it tight, hold it tight. Oh, I was going to tie it in a bow. Nice. And let's do this. See? I don't need no help. Hope it don't flop around on the rotisserie. The time has come. Look at the beautiful charcoal. I can raise and lower those racks too. But first I want to get the rotisserie in there with the chicken without burning myself. Here it is. I like seasoning it as it spins. Oh, I better cut them off too. See what I mean? That's going to fit in there. First we got to put that in the square there, you know that. Getting hot, getting hot. Woo-wee. I know I need a pot holder or something. Or a glove. I have gloves like that for this reason. All right, now, don't burn yourself. Sheesh. Yeah, right there. All right, we're getting it, we're getting it. I'm gonna get the rotisserie going quickly. Let's turn that on until I get it situated. Watch. Oh, let me cut them strings off. What's wrong with me? They're gonna burn off anyway. Maybe I should have wet them strings, right? Well, I'll wet them with butter. How's that sound? Adds to the flavor. Here's the delicious butter. Melted. I was gonna pour it on, but I think I'll brush it on. Oh, this smells so good already. You wait a couple hours. It has to go between 20 and 30 minutes a pound. So, maybe like 3 hours. And I'm done with the butter. A little seasoning on there. There. Now the string's nice and white. It'll be fried, crispy string. Oh boy. Woo! Alright. We want that flame to die down a little bit. Oh, the butter's doing that, right? Alright. I love it. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll cover it with seasoning. This is redneck lipstick from Diamond Jim. Oh, we're gonna have a fire. Oh man. Move some of them away, say. Move them away. That's gonna die down, don't worry. So much for the string. I know I should have wet it, soaked it. You don't mind if I don't mind, if you don't mind. Oh man, it's so good. Maybe I needed help trussing that up. What do you think? She's gonna say, I want a hot dog. All right. Get out of there. And we're gonna take the temperature, and we think it's near done. It should be 175, I think. Redneck lipstick. Smoky sweet and spicy smooth. I might even throw a few wood chips in here. Did I say that yet? Yeah, some right behind me. Hickory wood. For fun. Looks done already, doesn't it? Just from the seasoning and the flash browning we had in the beginning. Yeah, some wood chips. This is delicious. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna close the lid, go in the house, and think about it. And I'll be checking on it, okay? I'll let you know progress. All right, you can open it, go ahead. It's been about 45 minutes. Ooh, you know.
Beautiful.
But you know, I like it dark on the outside. Yeah. And I moved the coals from the center, so they're just on the edges. And like I said, Kathy said she'd rather have a hot dog, so.
Not rather, but I want a hot dog while I was cooking.
Yeah, so hang it there and toast them up. It's gonna work, right?
Oh yeah.
It's pretty hot in there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Too
perfect for hot dogs.
Just like camping out. Chicken and hot dogs.
I was thinking about marshmallows.
Oh, maybe for dessert. The charcoal stays good for a while. What's flaming there is that wood I put in. I put a couple pieces of wood in. But I moved it to the side. And when we cook these hot dogs in probably 5 minutes or so, we're gonna close the lid again. Got buns?
It sure does smell good.
Yeah, we got buns in there, huh? I know it
Yeah, we
smells
got
good.
buns there already.
I just thought maybe I could put one of these panels in, you know? Let's see. Look at that. Then you can lay your doggy down there.
Yeah, you got
Instead of burning yourself. Leave it on the stick, but so you don't have to.
You got the chicken in just the right spot.
Yeah. Okay, put hamburgers on the other
All right,
side.
I'm gonna close the lid, okay?
All right, watch the sticks though. They're gonna pop a wheelie. All right, that's great. Ooh.
Oh, they're gonna be great.
It really smells good, huh? Just with the smoke because of that flavored charcoal. Roll them again.
Oh, now we're talking about
Yeah, oh, mine's done.
lumping.
You know what's neat? You see the direction the chicken's going?
Yeah.
If I turn off the switch and turn it back on, it'll go the other way. Wait, was it going that way? It was going that way. Watch. No, it goes that way.
Yeah.
See? Go get my roll. Mustered it up. I better check on these things. Roll them, roll them, roll them. Ooh, see, no big fancy picnic. We're just having hot dogs for lunch and chicken for later. We had hamburgers yesterday. 4 of them. Cooked on flat top, of course. Oh, here comes the rolls. Roll me.
There you go.
Oh, ooh. Already got some Grey Poupon on there. Nice holiday napkin. And you take your stick and you do that, see? Wow. And you want one too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that flopped around this time. I gotta push that fork back
Okay.
over.
I just got my ketchup on my
Oh,
bowl.
she's a ketchuper.
Okay.
All right, let's close this chicken up. Whoa, how's it look? I took the temperature, it's 175. It shrank up pretty good, didn't it? I like it dark, you know, I like it dark and crunchy, and I hope it's crunchy. I'm gonna stop that rotisserie. Charcoal's just about all burned up. There's smoky wood in there around the edges. We turn this off. Get my pot holders. I'm gonna eat this chicken. You know that, right? It's gonna be hot. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come here. Look, the pop-up timer even popped up. Let me let that sit for 5 minutes or so. And hopefully I can get a leg off of there. Maybe I'll go inside in the air conditioning. 80-something degrees, but it's beautiful. I love it. Can't wait to eat this. Whoa, isn't that great? Take a bite of it. I took a bite of it. That's my leg. All right, let's see what I can do here. This beautiful leg that I sampled already. I usually butcher these legs up when I take them off the chicken. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I didn't take the spit out yet. I can't wait. I need a leg. Look at. Oh, a crispy skin. Don't break it. Oh, look what I did. See, I'm a butcher when it comes to meat. And not in a good way. Somebody will help me. Oh, it's delicious. I'm sorry. There's a nice wang. Get that leg over there. All right. I like the skin like that. So I'll take it off and crunch it up. Listen to it. Give me it. But look at the meat. I might have made a mess of it, but it sure is delicious. Let's see if I can get that other leg off of there. Oh, what a beautiful leg. Well, that leg fell apart too. But look at it. Where's Kathy? She had enough hot dogs, I guess. I hope your holiday weekend was good. Hope you're having something good to eat today. Love this rotisserie chicken. Even if I made a mess of it, I still love it. Wait a minute. Please subscribe. Stop back soon.